Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Sylvia and I make videos on planning with the occasional review. Today's video is a Your Creative Studio subscription unboxing. Jay has been out of town. I went out of town for a while. Jay is still actually out of town. So this box has been sitting in the mailbox for a while. I realized I hadn't checked mail in like 11 days. So let's get to it. Everything looks like it is Dragonfly themed, and I think that is wonderful. I love anything that has wings. I'm going to open everything and then come back. Okay, we can start with the stamps, which are beautiful. You can see that dragonfly. I love dragonflies. Anything with wings, fairies, butterflies, you name it. I love it. So nice. Then we have some ephemera here. I use these in my bujo when I'm doing like a new book review or I'm doing some wordage like vocabs. I like to write down like the week or the date or time. I love that. So we got some of those. Of course, there's always some type of sticky note in there, and these also have dragonflies on them. So beautiful. And it looks like they stick at the top. And then we have some dragonfly stickers. I love these because they tend to be slightly transparent, so they can go on any kind of, that actually looks real, like a real bug on my hand. That's funny. They can go on any color paper, so white or even, you know, more cream colored, because the Leuchtturm and the Moleskine tend to be more cream colored, and they'll look perfectly fine. I don't care for the very white stickers because they stand out on a page, especially if it's not a white background. And then these are probably my favorite things. Look how cute these are. I love putting these in a traveler's notebook where I can put them on the back of an insert and I can put stickers or what have you, other little ephemera. So it comes with little envelopes. I think that this would be so cute to send in the mail and kind of funny. Just like a little tiny one. Oh, and this is Wuthering Heights. Oh, I love that. So a Bronte. I really loved the one, this must be Heathcliff. I've only read it once and I wasn't like the biggest fan of this actual classic, which was interesting because I love Jane Austen and I love a lot of classic literature, but I was not a fan of Wuthering Heights. But I like the one that I have like this of Virginia Woolf. So beautiful. And I like the color. Maybe I'm going to have to give this a second read, and I have been in 2021, in case you're watching this in the future. I've been rereading a lot of books and taking more notes on them. So I'm going to have to do a reread or a re-listen to this novel. And then this all came as one bundle pack, and they are stickers that you can use for whatever. This is so cute. Look at the 4-leaf clover. There we go. So beautiful. This is really great for another like title page, so I could write my book title on here that I was going to do a review for. These are cute. Just a bunch of labels. Little clocks. These are always great for ephemera, and because they're stickers, they're easy to put down, which I appreciate. Anything that's easy. Love it. Oh, I really like these. I wish they had the whole deck. That would be awesome. You can also write in the center or stamp in the center of them. It's a horse. A couple of, it's like 2 to 3 of everything, it looks like. This is funny. Leather goods. I like things that look classic like this. Oh, this is funny. Very nice. I love the blue color. And then we have one of these that usually have some type of vellum, or they're just loose ephemera that you can cut out, which I love. I'm not a coffee drinker. I love tea, but I do have friends that are coffee drinkers, so this is really nice kind of ephemera that I can send them a couple of pieces with other things in like a little letter, just asking how they are, keeping in touch. I love this. I love that it has numbers too on some of them. Or is it all of them? Oh, and all of them. So you can do a full month calendar, which is awesome. Yep, you get 31 days. Really nice. Then, of course, I always love vellum. And they have dragonflies on them. Beautiful. This one's probably my favorite. It's just like a bright, fun color for summertime. I love that. And then the washi tape. Also dragonfly themed. I might have to put it against something that has a little bit of color. I love it. It's so beautiful. And the last thing is this. It had this little plastic piece on it that you have to remove in order to open it. So when you open it, it's actually a clock in there. Isn't that awesome? And it actually works, and you can, of course, set the time and everything, so I'll have to do that later, but beautiful. And it has a dragonfly on the front. I love this. This is so cool. It reminds me of the White Rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. And he had his little pocket watch that he'd pull out. But this one you can actually wear as a necklace if you wanted to, which is kind of snazzy. I love this. That is so cool. But this is everything that was in the subscription box. And I'm telling you, this is probably my favorite. I just think it's so cool. I love it. And these are so cute. I can't wait to write little notes and put something in here. I have to do something with them. I'm not in a traveler's notebook right now, so currently I can't use them that way, but anything dragonfly or butterfly themed, I'm all over it. So this was beautiful. I absolutely love it. And I'm hoping that I can use this in my July setup, since I haven't set up my bullet journal yet. Some of these things you'll definitely see, and I really want to stamp with these. I need to make more of an effort to stamp, especially this one. It's really pretty. Now, sometimes you guys ask me like what month this is, and sometimes I don't know, because sometimes I will get this sent to me after the month is over, and since it's been sitting in my mailbox for a while because we were on vacation, I'm not entirely sure. So if you know what month this is, let me know down below. All right, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.